Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be teaching you how to answer JAMB questions for mathematics. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates on this. Okay, let's move forward. Number 1. Evaluate 212 base 3 minus 121 base 3 plus 222 base 3. Number 1 question says 212 base 3 minus 121 base 3 plus 222 base 3. Let's first start with the subtraction. 212 base 3 minus 121 base 3. Okay. Now, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2, it can't go. We borrow 1 from 2, which remains 1. Instead of being 10 here, it will become 3 because we are dealing with base 3. So it is 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So here we have 2, 1 base 3. We now move further to add it to 2, 2, 2 base 3. 2, 2, 2 base 3 plus 2, 1 base 3. All in base 3. 2 plus 1, 3. We can't write 3 here because we are dealing with base 3. So this is 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is more than 3, so we can't write it here. So we write, 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is 2, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. We can't write 3 here. We write 0, then write 1. So this is our final answer. 1020, all in base 3. Number 2. Factorize 4a plus 3, all brackets squared, minus 3a minus 2, all brackets squared. So we start. We are going to expand the both of them. So this is equal to 4a plus 3 bracket 4a plus 3 minus 3a minus 2 bracket 3a minus 2. We now start. 4a times 4a, 16a, a squared. 4a times 3 plus 12a. 3 times 4a plus 12a. 3 times 3 plus 9. We are done with this side. Now let's move over to this side. 3a times 3a, 9a squared. 3a times minus 2, minus 6a. Minus 2 times 3a, minus 6a. Minus 2 times minus 2, plus 4. You see that? We continue. 16a squared, 12a plus 12a plus 24a plus 9 minus 9a squared minus 6a minus 6a is minus 12a, then plus 4. Remove. Now open up these brackets so we'll be able to collect like terms. 16a squared minus 9a squared plus 24a minus minus is plus 12a, then plus 9 minus plus minus minus 4. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. So we factorize. 7a squared plus 35a plus a plus 5. We group it. Grouping. The common factors here is 7a. When 7a comes out, what remains here will be a plus 5. Here, the common factor is just 1 plus 1, a plus 5. So, this will now be our answer. 7a plus 1. This is our final answer. Number 3. Find all median of the numbers 89, 141, 130, 161, 120, 131, 131, 100, 108, and 119. In order to find the median of these numbers here, the first thing you will do is to arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Anyone you want, it goes. Then after arranging it in ascending order, you now take the one in the middle. Now let's go. Let's get the number in the middle. You cross out. As you can see, there are two numbers at the center. Since there are two numbers at the center, we are going to add both of them and divide by 2. 120 plus 130 all over 2. This gives us 250 over 2, which is equal to 125. So this is our answer. So the median of these numbers is 125. Number 4. Find all real number x which satisfy the inequality. 1 over 3, open bracket, x plus 1, close bracket, minus 1 is greater than 1 over 5, open bracket, x plus 4. By removing this bracket, 1 over 3x plus 1 over 3. We use 1 over 3 to multiply what is inside this bracket. Then we put our minus 1 is greater than 1 over 5 bracket x plus 4. 1 over 3 minus 1 will give minus 2 over 3. So we have 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3 is greater than 1 over 5x plus 4. Now, we eliminate this 5 by multiplying both sides by 5. When we do that, this will be 1 over 3x minus 2 over 3 is greater than x plus 4. When we open up this bracket again, we have 5x over 3 minus 10 over 3 is greater than x plus 4. Now we collect like terms. 5x over 3. Then x comes over to here to become minus x is greater than 4 minus 10 over 3 crosses here to become plus 10 over 3. Now the common denominator that can go for both of them is 3. 5x minus 3x greater than, the same thing here, 3 divided times 4, 12, plus 10. 5x minus 3x is 2x over 3 is greater than 22 over 3. Multiply both sides by 3 to eliminate this 3 here, which gives us 2x is greater than 22. And when we divide both sides by 2, we have that x is greater than 11. And that is our answer. Number 5. Express each number in 0.02174 times 1.2047 all over 0.023789 to two significant figures, and then evaluate. So first of all, we approximate all these numbers to two significant figures before we proceed. So this will become 0.02 times 1.2 all over 0.02. Then we proceed. 0.02 times 1.2 gives 0.024 all over 0.02. And when we divide these two numbers, we get 1.2. Number 6. 4 boys and 10 girls can cut a field first in 5 hours. If the boys work at 5/4 the rate at which the girls work, how many boys will be needed to cut the field in 3 hours? Okay, 4 boys and 10 girls did this work under 5 hours, and the rate at which boys do the work is 5/4 of the rate of which girls do their own work. Means that 5/4 of their own rate is for the 10 girls. Now let's find this R. So R will be equal to 10/1 times 4/5, which will give us 8. And this means that the work 10 girls did, 8 boys will be able to do it. So this implies that instead of using 10 girls, we now use our 8 boys. 4 boys plus 8 boys can do the job under 5 hours. This means that 12 boys can do this job under 5 hours. Since 12 boys can do this job under 5 hours, how many boys can do the job under 3 hours? In order to find it, we continue. 12 boys times 5 hours all over 3 hours. Hours cancel as hours. 3 here 1, 3 here 4. So then now the 5 times 4, 20. This means that 20 boys will be able to do this job under 3 hours. Number 7. What is the circumference of latitude 0 degrees south if R is the radius of the Earth? So the circumference of the latitude is equal to 2 pi r cos theta, where r is the radius of the Earth. Number 8. A room is 12 meters long, 9 meters wide, and 8 meters high. Find the cosine of the angle which a diagonal of the room makes with the floor of the room. So the length of the room is 12 meters, the width is 9 meters, while the height is 8 meters. Now, we use the length of the room and the width of the room to find this hypotenuse, first of all, before we proceed. So now to find this hypotenuse, square root of 12 squared plus 9 squared, which gives 144 plus 81. 144 plus 81 is 225. Our square root of 225 is 15, which means that here is 15 meters. We now go further to find the diagonal the room makes with the floor. And how do we do that? In this case, we have another triangle. In this case now, this 15 meters will now be the length with the height, which is 8 meters. So hypotenuse is equal to 15 squared plus 8 squared. 15 squared gave us 225. 8 squared is 64. 225 plus 64 is 289, which is 17 meters. So here is 17 meters. Now we are looking for the cosine. So if you are looking for the cosine, we all know that cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And here our adjacent is 15 meters all over the hypotenuse 17 meters. So our final answer is 15 over 17. Number 9. The goals scored by 40 football teams from 3 league divisions are recorded below. Number of goals: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency: 4, 3, 15, 16, 1, 0, 1. What is the total number of goals scored by all the teams? Okay, here X represents the number of goals, while F represents the frequency. I have now set in a tabular form, so we are going to find out f of x. F of x means to multiply each of both numbers. We proceed. 0 times 4, 0. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 15, 30. 3 times 16, 48. 4 times 1, 4. 5 times 0, 0. 6 times 1, 6. So the summation of f of x will be our answer, what we are asked to find. So adding everything here, our answer is 91. So that is our answer. Number 10. In a class of 150 students, the sector in a pie chart representing the students offering physics has angle 12 degrees. How many students are offering physics? Angles at the point is 360. Sum of angle around the point is 360. Angle for physics in the pie chart is 12 degrees. Then the total number of students is 150. Now we are asked to find the number of students offering physics. So the angle for physics all over 360. 12 degrees over 360 times the total number of students, which is 150, all over 1. So when we multiply these numbers, 0 cancels out 0. 12 here, 1, 12 here, 3. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 5. So, 5 students. This means that 5 students are offering physics.